Hi student, today I am going to give an introduction about natural language processing. Myself Dr. A. Samuda, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Computational Intelligence. My expertise areas are deep learning, NLP, data analytics, predictive analytics, IoT and WSN. Overall, I am having 18 years and 8 months teaching experience. These are some of the journal papers, scope index I have published related to the NLP topic. And two book chapters I have published: Modeling Air Pollution and Traffic Congestion Problem through Mobile Application in the year 2023. The course is it enables the student to understand the trends in natural language processing, make them understand the concept of the very basic NLP concept like a syntax, semantic, pragmatic analysis, and the student can recognize the significance of pragmatics in natural language understanding. It enables the students to capable to describe the application based on the natural language processing, understand the natural language processing, and how to apply the basic algorithms into that. After completing this course, the student can construct the syntax, semantics in NLP. They can analyze the different approaches used in semantic parsing, syntax parsings with the pronoun resolution, and they can able to implement a semantic role and relation and the frames using co-reference resolution concept. They can apply the concept of summarization, information retrieval, and machine translation in their project. They can also apply the knowledge of various level of analysis used in NLP and implement the different technique called embedding, SIBO, and skipgram. These are the 5 units. Today I am going to give an introduction about the NLP. The language is nothing but the people can communicate to the system. So this natural language processing is mainly used to communicate to the people. According to the industry estimation, 21% of the available data are structured format. Those data are coming from various social media sites, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Majority of the data are exist in the form of a textual format, which are unstructured in nature. So in order to produce some significant advancement in that data, we need to do the text analysis using the natural language processing. So text analytics or mining is the process of deriving a meaningful information from the natural language text. It usually involves processing the structured input text and deriving the pattern and evaluating that pattern, and from the pattern it interpreting the output. This natural language processing is a part of CSE, AI, ML with the human languages. This is a branch of AI that enables the machine to understand the human language. The main intention of NLP is to build the system which are able to sense the text, which automatically do some task like spell checking, text translation, and the classification and all. The purpose of studying this NLP is it increases the role of language in human-computer interaction. Vast amount of data or unstructured form, we need to convert the unstructured data into structured data. This NLP makes a proper interaction between the computer and system, and the computer need to understand the NLP natural languages used by the human being. So this is nothing but making a computer learn, listen, and manipulate the natural languages. The need for NLP is processing the textual data. This is the main task because a vast data are coming from the various social media sites, books, websites, magazines, emails, and research papers. Those data are unstructured in a natural. We need to get we need to convert the unstructured data into structured form, and we need to interpret certain information from that structured data. By processing the textual data, valuable knowledge can be derived, which enable the business and researchers to make the decision further. The uses of NLP is huge nowadays. This allows the intuitive and user-friendly interfaces. The NLP makes technology accessible for the way wider audiences which are having a technical expertise or any disabilities. And in conversational system, this NLP enables the development of any agent for providing a proper interaction by increasing the system efficiency. And data extraction and analysis, this NLP extracts the insights from unstructured textual data and further used for sentiment analysis and information retrieval and text summarization. Voice-based interaction also we can achieve through Alexa, Siri software. Through the voice message, we can send the request and the corresponding responses are retrieved. Human-computer collaboration. The NLP enables the seamless communication and collaboration between the machine to system, machine to people, and natural language understanding. This allows machine to comprehend the context semantics, which enabling advanced application for personalize the experiences. These are some of the real-time applications in various domains. The healthcare domain, it is used to in the healthcare industry for clinical documentation implementation or clinical decision support system, any clinical processing automation, speech recognition. The in that scenario, it is mainly used in a healthcare domain, and marketing sector also NLP software helps to improve the competitor requirements and stay up to date the latest trends of the marketing product, how to increase millions of views about the product usage. So that type of place, the marketing scenario also the NLP is mainly used, and HR, human hiring and recruitment process also nowadays the NLP is used to speed up the candidate search process and filtering out unnecessary relevant resume content and grafting some bias information. From that, the record resumes are shortlisted. Those people are getting uh, order for the interview call and all. And advertising, some of the advertising agency also using NLP concept for advertise the identity of the new audience for improving the potential of the products. These are the different application products right now released. Alexa, Siri for voice assistance, Facebook, Google News for news feeding process, Google Translator, Grammarly tool for checking the spelling mistakes and all. uh, Sentiment analysis, speech recognition, chatbot, spell checking, keyword searching, and information extractions are different application nowadays used by applying the NLP concept. In the chatbot, the customer chat services are provided by the various companies, and that process all the customer chat historical data. From that, the inferences are derived. Coming to the speech recognition, the talking about the diverse assistants of Google Assistants and Alexa, then NLP Google Translator, it translates the request from one language to another one languages. Then the NLP advertisement matching the physically recommendation of ads based on the customer's historical knowledge. These are some of the real-time use cases where NLP can be used. In Gmail, when you are trying any sentences in Gmail, automatically it complete the sentence. So auto completion is done using the NLP. And some of the unwanted mail, whenever we are receiving, the spam filtering is working. Language translator is used to translate the language from one language to another one language. And the customer service chatbot application for providing a proper chat historical data. From that, the analysis and prediction takes place. Then voice and assistants, a product, right? Amazon, Alexa, Google Assistants for enabling the voice-oriented data communication and the services. Google search engine apply the BERT specification languages with that provide the correct solution for the customer request. The NLP can be used nowadays in majority of the domains areas. The NLP offers the exact answer to the question. So it filter the unnecessary or unwanted data. This helps the computer to communicate with the human in different languages. Most of the companies use NLP to improve the efficiency of the documentation process, accuracy of the documentation, and identify the information from the databases. Even though the NLP can be used in a majority of the application, there are some drawbacks. NLP is unpredictable. They may require more keystroke. The NLP is unable to adapt to the new domain, and it is a limited function. That way it is not much popular. The components of NLP are